This one is a little similar to the previous one we have solved. So let's see. We're given two equations. Right, we're given these two equations. And we want to find a cubed plus b cubed. So let's use this relation to simplify a cubed plus b cubed. So from this first one, we get a squared equals to a plus 1. And from this one, we get b squared equals to b plus 1. Remember the previous one, we get a squared equals a minus 1, right? B squared equals b minus 1. Then the sum of two cubes ends up to be -2. So let's see this one. Now we want to reduce a cube plus b cube. So we want to do a times a squared plus b times b squared. And we use a plus 1 for a squared. We use b plus 1 for b squared. Then distribute, we get a squared plus a and b squared plus b. Now again, use a squared as a plus 1. Use b squared as a b plus 1. So we see a cube plus b cube becomes linear now. So 2 times a plus b plus 1. We have two ones here. Okay, so that means we need to find a plus b. Well, let's observe. We see a and b. Right, the two equations exactly the same except the variables. So a and b are two solutions. For such equation. X squared minus x minus 1. Okay. And what is the solution? Use a quadratic formula. X equals to negative will be negative 1, which is 1, plus minus square root of 4 square root of this -1 square, which is 1, plus 4 times the -1, which is 5, square root of 5, divided by 2 times the coefficient of x squared, where 2 times 1 is 2. So a and b, just 1 plus or minus square root 5 over 2. So let's add those two, because we don't really care about which one is a, which one is b. Let's add those two. Get 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2, plus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So we get half plus root 5 divided by 2 plus half. So this is minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So you see the irrational numbers were positive or negative. So these two adds up to be 0. Half plus half, that's just 1. So a plus b equals 1. So plug into this, a plus b is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 times 2. It's a 4. It's also a rational number, which is beautiful.